Junglist.
So, this chair, which we thought did not swivel, perhaps does swivel.
Huh?
A1 says he found a swivel wheel
Totally swivel.
on the bottom. But yet, every single button we have pushed does not adjust the swivel wheel, except one button that is broken. Is that the button to the swivel wheel? How did we find out? I am going to dig around the chair, see if we can find a manufacturer, and maybe locate a manual. That's where you start. And here we go. So, I looked at the broken line, and we traced the broken line, and the broken line wasn't attached to anything. We're like, wow, the broken line is not attached to anything. But then this brilliant one saw that there was a locking mechanism on the wheel here, and that the end of that line fit perfectly with the locking mechanism. And I pulled on the line, and it pulled the locking mechanism out.
Hold on.
And I think the whole time we couldn't move the chair because it was locked.
I gotta
And the lock release was broken.
put this little ball in place here.
And this is an even easier fix than I thought.
As long as I can do this part.
It works just like a car seat.
I can't get it in there.
Well, the older manual ones, if you remember, and you gotta like pull it up and hold it pulled up while you turn it, and that's how this works.
Let's check this out.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it. Oh my god, look at that!
And that releases the swivel.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
So, with the swivel.
Now with it, I'm pulling it up. Like, try to spin it.
Hold on. I want to put this footrest down.
Okay.
All right, we ready?
Yeah, try to spin it. Oh my god, it spins. Oh wait, hold on. You're gonna hit me in the face. Okay. Let's see how far we can move. Here, sit in it, and then pull the switch. Yeah, that was the one lever that was broken. Oh my god, that was such an easy fix. Holy shit.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, check it out.
Oh, I've got stuff back here.
But you're not. Hold on, let me see. Oh, move forward. Yeah, let me
There you go.
move this out of the way here. Okay. It does swivel around. Oh my
Hey, look at that.
goodness.
Oh,
We
wait.
have never had
Hold
the
on.
chair in this position ever. This is a worldwide exclusive. The first time we've seen this chair in this orientation. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow, this creates a whole new setup for like the DJ area now. I am totally gonna be chilling out in that chair while you're DJing next time, honey.
Okay, hold on.
Oh my goodness, that's like the VIP chair now.
You can only do so many movements until you put it all the way backwards, but hey.
Oh my goodness, babe. Oh my goodness.
We always wanted this to be able to turn around.
Wow. Yay.
Junglist.